Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is about finding the coordinates of the 2 points that has the same horizontal distance from a given point. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So I will give you plenty of examples class for you to really understand this one class. Once again class, if this video helps, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now what if the teacher will ask you class to find the coordinates of the 2 points in which you have given distance and then given one ordered pair. Example class, you're told to find the coordinates of 2 points, 3 units from 2 and 4. Once again class, we call this one ordered pair because this is x and y. Once again class, if you have given example like this 2 and then 4, this is what we call class ordered pair. X is 2, okay, the value of x that would be 2, and then the value of y that would be 4. So these are the ordered pair. Now, this will be our given distance. We have 3 units from 2 and 4. We have 7 units from -3 and then -1. Now, how will you find the 2 coordinates? How will you find the 2 points? Now, to find the 2 points class, you need to remember this one. Horizontal distance means the point stay on the same y coordinate. Therefore, class, you just simply move to the right and then simply move to the left. Example, 3 units from 2 and 4. Therefore, you simply move 3 units to the right and then simply move 3 units to the left. The value of your y class, it must be the same y value. Once again class, your y coordinate, it must be the same. You only move left or right, and this will be our formula. So we have x plus the distance, comma, and then y. We have x minus the distance, comma, and then y. Now, before we use this formula class, let's have our illustration class for you to really understand this one. I'm sure class, very easy to answer this one if you plot this one on the Cartesian plane. But once again class, no need to do that one because it will really take time. Example class for this one, number 1, 3 units from 2 and then 4. So our ordered pair, that would be 2 and then 4. Alright, now where is 2 and 4 class? How will you plot this one class on the Cartesian plane? Remember this one class, how to plot this one on the Cartesian plane. Once again class, this is x and y. Always x comes first before y. How will you plot this one class? That's correct. X value is positive 2, this one. And then our y value is positive 4. So therefore this one. So simply connect this one. Alright, so this will be our point. So x value is positive 2. And then y is positive 4. So this will be our point. Now you're looking for the 2 points for the coordinates. Once again class, you're looking for 2 points, 3 units from this given ordered pair 2 and then 4. So therefore simply move 3 units to the right and then simply move 3 units to the left, and then you will get the 2 points. Simple as that class. If you have your Cartesian plane, simply move the units to the right and then move the units to the left. If this is 7 units, example number 2, so therefore move 7 units to the right and then 7 units to the left. Now since this is 3 units from this given ordered pair, so 3 units from 2 and 4, so 3 units from 2 and then 4, so therefore simply move 3 units to the right, 1, 2, and then 3, so this will be our first point. So 1, 2, and then 3, this will be our first point. Alright, so this one right here. Alright, and then simply move 3 units to the left, so 1, 2, and then 3, 1, 2, and then 3, so this one right here. Alright, so therefore our first point, that would be, once again class, how would you plot this one class? X value is 5, okay, so this one right here. X value is, so what would be the x value class? Alright, so x value is positive 5. So positive 5, once again class, x comes first before y. So x value, that would be positive 5. And then y is 4. So you will have the same value class for the y value. So once again, this is 2 and then 4. So therefore, that would be 5 and then 4. The other one, we have x value is -1. And then y value, of course, that would be positive 4. Okay, so this will be positive 4. You have the same y value. And that would be your 2 points class. That's it class. That's the answer class with regards to example number 1. Easy as that class on the Cartesian plane. Simply move 3 units to the right and then 3 units to the left if you're looking for 2 points with this given class, 3 units from this given ordered pair. Now how do you apply the formula? So let's apply the formula. Once again, applying the formula to find the 2 points. So simply apply the formula. So once again, x value, that would be 2. So simply apply this one. Alright, so let me just copy the formula. X plus d, the distance, and then y. Alright, and then the other one. We have x minus d, comma, and then y. Alright, so the value of x, that would be 2, plus the distance is 3. Once again, class, the distance is 3. So simply copy 3. Once again, class, this 3 right here is our distance given, class. So 2 plus 3, comma, and then the value of y, that would be 4. Alright, so 2 plus 3, that would be 5, and then comma 4. That would be our first ordered pair. You have the same answer, class. 5 and then 4. Alright, so the other one, the other point, so we have, so this will be x value, once again, is 2, minus the distance is, our distance is 3 units, so 2 minus 3, comma, and then the y value is 4. Alright, once again, simply substitute, class, the value of x, that would be 2, the distance, that would be 3 units, so copy, minus 3. Now, once again, class, you will be asking questions, sir, why do you have to negative? Because this is minus, class, x minus the distance. Once again, class, x minus the distance is 3, so copy minus sign, so 2 minus 3, that would be negative 1. Once again, class, unlike signs, positive 2, negative 3, subtract, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, 3 is greater than 2, we copy the sign of 3. That would be negative 1, comma, and then 4. You will have the same answer, class, negative 1 and then 4. That's it, class, all set. That's the answer, class, with regards to example number 1. You can apply this one using the Cartesian plane, or for me, class, it's better to use this formula. That's it, class. That's the answer, class, with regards to example number 1. All set. All set, class. Alright, so let's proceed now to example number 2. Alright, so we simply apply the formula. Right, let's do that. So once again, our answer number 1 a while ago. So we have 5 and then 4. The other one, we have negative 1 and then 4. Alright, so number 2. Once again, simply substitute x and then y. So this is x and then y. So our x value is negative 3 plus the distance, that would be 7, comma, and then y value is negative 1. Alright, the second point. So x value is negative 3. Copy minus sign. The distance is 7, comma, and then y value is negative 1. Let's do it step by step, class. Once again, class, x value, ordered pair, class, it's always x and then y. So ordered pair, we have negative 3 for x. Distance is 7, so negative 3 plus 7, comma, and then the y value is negative 1. So comma, the second point, x value is negative 3. Copy minus sign, the distance is 7, comma, and then negative 1. You will have the same value, class, of y, that would be negative 1. Alright, so negative 3 plus 7, what's the answer, class? Unlike signs. That's correct. If the signs are not the same, you subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 7 is greater than 3, we copy the sign of 7. That would be positive 4. And then comma, and then negative 1. That would be our first point, class. That's it, class. Easy as that, class. 4 and then negative 1. And then our second point, so negative 3 minus 7. Once again, class, if you both have negative 3 minus 7, you think this one plus negative 3, you think this one is negative 7. Both negative, simply copy negative sign, simply add the numbers. Don't make things complicated, class. You think this way, class. Both negative, simply copy negative sign, simply add the numbers. Another example, class, if I will say negative 2 minus 3 minus 5, what's the answer, class? That's correct, class. It should be negative 10. Don't make things complicated, class. You think this one, class, both negatives, there are all negatives. Example, class, this one right here. Negative 2, negative 3, negative 5. Same sign. Simply copy the sign. Simply add the numbers. Don't make things complicated, class. Example like this. Negative 3 minus 7. Both negative. Simply copy negative sign. Simply add the numbers. That would be negative 10, comma, and then negative 1. That's it, class. That's the answer, class, with regards to example number 2. So all set for number 2. We have 4 and the negative 1. The other point, the second ordered pair, we have negative 10 and then negative 1. All set. Alright, so let's proceed now to number 3. So once again, I will give you 5 examples for you to really understand this one, class. Alright, so example number 3, from the origin. So what will be the ordered pair, class, from the origin? That's correct. From the origin, it means 0 and then 0. Once again, class, our origin, the x value is 0 and the y value is 0. So 0 and then 0. So this is x and then y. So x value is 0, y value is 0. Alright, so this will be x is 0, so 0 plus the distance is 6, comma, and then y value, copy, 0. So once again, class, x value is 0, the distance is 6 plus 6, comma, and then y value is 0. Comma, and then the second point, x value is 0, minus the distance, that would be 6. Okay, do not forget comma, so sorry, comma, and then y value is 0. Alright, and then this will be 0 plus 6, of course, that would be 6. Once again, the 0 plus 6, that would be 6, comma, and then 0. So that would be 6 and then 0. The second point, 0 minus 6, that would be negative 6, comma, and then 0. That's it, class. All set. Very easy, right? For example, number 3. All set, class. Alright, so this will be our answer. We have 6, 0. The other point, we have negative 6 and then 0. All set, class. Alright, so let's proceed now to example number 4. So our given ordered pair. So we have x and then y, negative 5 and then 3. So 4 units from negative 5 and then 3. Alright, so x value is negative 5 plus the distance is 4, comma, and then y value is 3. Alright, comma, and then our second point, x value is negative 5, the distance is 4. So minus 4, comma, and then 3. Okay, once again, let's do it step by step. Our x value is negative 5 plus the distance, that would be 4, comma, and then y value is 3, comma, the second point, x is negative 5, minus, copy minus sign, the distance is 4, comma, and then y is positive 3. Alright, so negative 5 plus 4, unlike signs, we have negative 5, positive 4. If the signs are not the same, you subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 5 is greater than 4, we copy the sign of 5. That will be negative 1, comma, and then 3. Alright, the second point, once again, both negative, negative 5 minus 4, simply copy negative sign, simply add the numbers. That would be negative 9, comma, and then 3. That's it, class. All set. Alright, so we're down to the last example, class, and then later on, I will give you an activity for you to be answered. So you try that one, class, and then you put your answer on the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. Alright, so last example, number 5. Our x value is 7. Y value is positive 4. Alright, so this will be x is 7 plus the distance is 5, comma, y value is 4, comma, x value is 7 minus the distance, that would be 5, comma, and then y value is 4. So 7 plus 5 is 12, comma, 4. Alright, once again, because you will have the same y value, that would be positive 4. So 7 minus 5 is 2, comma, and then 4. That's it, that's all set. Very easy, right? So this will be 12, 4. The other one, we have 2, and then 4. All set. That's it, class. That's how you answer this one, class, on finding the coordinates. Very easy, right? Alright, so you try this one, class, and then you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. So number 6, 8 units from negative 2 and then negative 1. And then number 7, 2 units from 6, 7. So 2 units from 6, 7. Alright, so once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.